Katie with Concierge Physical Therapists again, and today we're going to go over some stretches that will help decrease pain, especially in the low back and the pelvic area. So the first one, you want to be just seated comfortably in a chair with your feet on the ground, and this is to reduce any of that stress that comes from the back and the belly kind of pushing your spine forward. So you're just going to reach down. You can leave your elbows on your knees to help support if that's comfortable. Just leave plenty of room for your belly. As you drop down, if you can go all the way down to your feet. And then you just want to relax and breathe in and out and kind of just hang here with your head down. And then as you come back up, place hands on knees and use your hands to help you come up. And that will help stretch and elongate along your spine. Okay, now we're going to move on to a couple more stretches. The first one is going to be with you on your side. You can do this on the ground or on your bed or anywhere that's fairly open and that's comfortable. You'll start on one side. You want to make sure you're level so that your shoulders are right one over the other, and the top leg you're going to bring forward just a little bit. If you want more of a stretch, you can even bring it kind of off the bed like this is, or straighten it on the ground, or you can leave it bent, whatever's comfortable. And then you're going to reach your arm back and open and take a deep breath and allow your rib cage to kind of move away from the top hip. And inhale deeply and exhale. You can play with your arm and move it to feel a different stretch. You might be tighter in certain spots. You can straighten the arm out. You can keep it bent, whatever feels the most comfortable to you. And just breathe into the stretch for several minutes, just finding the spots that feel the tightest to you. Another one that's good for the low back is moving into child's pose. You want to keep your knees nice and wide to allow room for your belly, and you're going to sit back into your haunches and reach forward and take a nice deep breath in and try to stretch further. And after this feels pretty comfortable, you can even go each way. So slightly to one side. Make sure you're breathing into each stretch. And then other side. And again with this one, kind of just staying in this position with the various variations for several minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And then the last one is appropriately named Happy Baby, kind of a variation of Happy Baby. And again, it's to reduce some of that strain of the belly kind of pulling your spine forward. As you're going to open your knees up, you can grab your knees, wherever's comfortable around your belly. If you can get to your feet, you can grab the ankles and pull open. And you can play with how open your knees are and get your tailbone up just a little bit to round out your low back of it. And again, breathe into it and relax, open. You can go slightly to the right, slightly to the left to get a little bit different stretch, and spend 2 to 3 minutes here letting everything release.